Up to n terms is there. First find nth term of the series. So first term is 1 cube, second term 1 cube plus 2 cube. For third term it is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. Right? Then you can write the fourth term as 1 cube plus, and then fourth term this one. What is fourth term? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. 5, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. This is fourth term. Okay. So like this, if you want to write nth term, the numerator will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to so on plus n cube. Okay. And divided by the nth term, it is sum of the odd numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to so on. You can write the last number as 2n minus 1 or 2n plus 1. Okay, according to order. Last term will be 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 is the representation of odd number. Okay, simple. Now rewrite S of n. First step, you just you find nth term. After that, rewrite a given question by taking S of n. 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to so on plus. In place of n terms, you just write nth term. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to so on plus n cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to so on plus 2n minus. Okay. Which is equal to RHS. N by 24 up to n square plus 9n plus 30. Okay. So this is S of n. Now put n equal to 1. First step, always n equal 1. In nth term, you just write n as 1. That is 1 cube only one term. Or directly you can take first term also. By taking or by substituting n equal to 1, you get first term of LHS, which is 1 cube by 1. That is 1. This is LHS part. Okay. Now what is RHS? For RHS, substitute n equal to 1 in RHS. N by 24, therefore it is 1 by 24 into 2 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 13. Now what is this 13 plus 9, 22 plus 2, 24 by 24, which is 1. So clearly you can observe that LHS 1 and RHS also 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That implies S of n is true for S of n is true for n equal to 1. Okay. Now what is the next step? Let S of n is true for n equal to k. Now rewrite the given statement by taking n as k. That gives 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to so on. N equal k. 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on k cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to so on 2k minus 1. Okay, you just write n as k. That is S of k. Is equal to what? K by 24 of 2k square plus 9k plus 30. Okay. So up to this is the part 1 of the solution. So after this, you just write k plus 1th term. This step is important. Now you just write k plus 1th term. K plus 1th term is here in kth term, in place of k, you just write k as k plus 1. The numerator will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus k plus 1 whole cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to so on. 2 into in place of k, write k plus 1. Okay, k plus 1th term means in kth term, this is the kth term, LHS last term. In this kth term, you just write k as k plus. Now try to solve. So what is this? You want to observe 2 into 2k plus 2 minus 1, which gives 2k plus 1. Okay. Now numerator is 1 cube, 2 cube up to so on. K plus 1 whole cube is what is the formula? N plus n into n plus 1. K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 whole square. Right? By applying a formula. Sum of cube terms. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on n cube equal n plus 1 by 2 whole square. By denominator, sum of the odd terms. AP series formula. So AP series formula, what you can get here? N by 2 of, right? N by 2, n is a 2k plus 1. Total how many terms are made? Into A plus L you can type. A plus L. First term is 1, L is 2k plus 1. Right? In a AP series, if you know first and last term, right? If you know first and last term, the sum of n terms. Okay, n by 2 into A plus L. A is the first term, L is the 2k plus 1. So here you can clearly observe 2k plus 1 is 2k plus 2 this part. 2k plus 2 means 2 into k plus 1. Okay. Now k plus 1 into k plus 1 whole square. So here also you have whole square gets cancelled. Finally, what you can get here, just you can get k plus 2 whole square by 2 square is 4. Okay, what is a k plus 1th term for this question means k plus 2 whole square by 4. Now the next part is adding k plus 1th term, that is equal to k plus 2 whole square by 4 on both sides. Where you have to add here at s of k, you add k plus 2 whole square by 4 on both sides. 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to so on. Okay. At last you just add k plus 2 whole square by 4 is equal to RHS as it is. Okay, this RHS as it is. Plus you just add k plus 2 whole square by 4. Okay. By adding k plus 1, the LHS is changed to S of k plus 1. The total LHS S of k plus 1. Only the simplify k plus 2 whole square by 4 add చేశారు simplify చేయండి. ఏమవుతుంది simplification అంటే 24 is LCM. Here it is k into 2k square plus 9k plus 13 plus here it is 6 into k plus 2 whole square. Okay na? Now ఇదంతా expand చేసుకోండి. 2k cube plus 9k square plus 13k. K square into 6, 6k square. 4k into 2 plus 24k plus 24. K square plus 24k plus 24 divided by 20. What you can get here 2k cube plus 9k square plus 6k square 15k square plus 13 plus 24 37k plus 24 by 20. Okay, this is S of k plus 1. No need to simplify this sum. With technique ఏం చెప్పాను after this step ఈ స్టెప్ అయిపోగానే మీరు వెరిఫికేషన్కి వెళ్ళిపోండి. ఓకే, ఒక 2 lines గ్యాప్ వదిలేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ టేక్ 2 lines గ్యాప్ and go for verification. The verification part ఏంటి put n equal k plus 1 in RHS. N equal k plus 1 RHS. Substitute n as k plus 1 in RHS. What you get? K plus 1 by 24 into 2 into k plus 1 whole square plus 9 into k plus 1 plus 13. Okay, RHS ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, క్వశ్చన్ లోనే ఇస్తాడు RHS. Okay, in the given RHS you just take n as k plus. You just expand this. Okay, simple expand చేస్తే వెళ్ళిపోండి. K plus 1 by 24 into 2 into k square plus 2k plus 1 9k plus 9 plus 13. Okay na? So automatically in the expansion you get this step. మీరు ఎక్కడ లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఆపేశారో అది ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇదంతా రఫ్ పార్ట్ కాదు, మీరు సేమ్ సొల్యూషన్ లోనే ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ స్టెప్ ఒక 2-3 lines గ్యాప్ తీసుకోండి. అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 4 lines గ్యాప్ తీసుకొని ఒక లైన్ తీసేసుకోండి. ఇట్లా ఇక్కడ వెరిఫికేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది సొల్యూషన్. ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి. k plus 1 by 24 into what is this 2k square plus 4k plus 2 plus 9k plus 9 plus 13 22. మళ్ళీ ఇదంతా ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి. In the expansion automatically you get same thing. This only you get. చూడండి 2k square into k 2k cube 4 plus 9 13k. Okay, into k square. చూడండి immediately ఇక్కడ 1 into 2k square plus 2k square 13k square plus 2k square 15k square. Okay, next 37k 22K plus 13K. Right after this 22 plus 2, 24. After this expansion, you get same. This match అయిపోతుంది. Okay, you can get 2K cube plus 15K square plus 37K plus 24. అర్థమైందా? ఈ స్టెప్ అయిపోగానే మీరు ఒక 4 lines గ్యాప్ తీసుకోండి, వెరిఫికేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. వెరిఫికేషన్ ఏముంటుంది చెప్పండి? RHS ప్లేస్ లో టేక్ n as k plus 1 ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తూ పోండి. మీరు ఏ స్టెప్ దగ్గర అయితే ఆపేశారో లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ అదే. నౌ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ కమ్ టు ద సింప్లిఫికేషన్. ఈ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ దగ్గర మీరు ఏం చేసేయాలంటే, ఆల్రెడీ వెరిఫికేషన్ లో క్లియర్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్లీ రైట్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. ఈ వెరిఫికేషన్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ని ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేయండి. ఏంటది? విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు k plus 1 by 24 into 2 into k plus 1 whole square plus 9 into k plus 1 plus 30. Okay, na? Therefore, conclude the question. In conclusion, S of k plus 1 is true or S of n. You can write S of n is true for n equal k plus 1. That implies for all n belongs to n, S of n is true. Okay, na? For all n belongs to n, S of n is true. Very easiest method. కొంచెం క్వశ్చన్ లెంగ్తీ ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఈజీ టు సాల్వ్. ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, యూ కెన్ గెట్ క్లారిటీ.